This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Updated 4 beds, 3 full baths, over 2,000 square foot home with first floor primary and extra bedroom or office on first floor. Brand new HVAC system just installed 2 months ago. Near shipyard and interstate. Whether you are an investor adding it to your investment portfolio or you are a first-time buyer wanting to put some TLC and turn it into a nice home, don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below.